Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Hex again, but before I get into the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do post my videos on other platforms, just in case if YouTube wants to delete this video or delete my whole channel just for talking about cryptocurrency. So make sure to follow me on those other platforms, and the links for those will be down below in the description. Now, for those of you that haven't claimed your Hex but still claim it's a scam, have you seen the charts? Because it's the best performing crypto of 2020 so far, and it's only the beginning. If you guys haven't watched my previous video where I give you my 19 reasons why you should invest in Hex, then go watch that video first. And if you don't want to invest in Hex because you still think it's a scam, well, at least you have 19 reasons why you should claim it for free, right? If you haven't claimed your Hex yet, you can do it right now. It takes only 2 minutes, and you guys can get 10% more Hex for free just by using my link in the description or scanning this QR code. And this 10% also multiplies with the early speed and staking bonuses. And if you're not sure what that is, you can go check out my previous videos. I have a lot of videos on Hex, so for anybody who's new to Hex, go watch all those videos first. Hex is way undervalued. It's outperforming everything, and it's only been 5 months since launch. And it's 100% done. Hex works. It's a working product. It's done. You can use it. People are using it. And if you have been using it, it works amazing. Like, I love it. It's so easy. Anybody who's new to Hex, this is like really easy. It's currently ranked number 27 on CoinPaprika, and it's been quickly rising. And by the time I get this video out, it might even be ranked higher than that. Other websites aren't showing the proper data for Hex. If you go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, they're not displaying the proper data, and they have it ranked at like number 200 or something. Hex is not listed on many exchanges yet, and you can only get it through the Adoption Amplifier or Uniswap and just a few other exchanges. If you guys want to learn how to get Hex through the Adoption Amplifier, you can check out this video here. It's really easy and only takes a few minutes. Because Hex is not listed on many exchanges yet, imagine what that will do to the price when it actually does get listed on a bunch of different exchanges. Like, it's outperforming everything. It's rising so quick. It's barely listed anywhere. Hex is fully decentralized and immutable, so that's the whole point of cryptocurrency, and nothing can be changed because only you mint your coins and you mint your rewards because you are the network. There's no competition, as Hex is the only CD on the blockchain, and a CD is also referred to as a time deposit or a GIC, and those are the most popular products at the bank. So to be able to have this on the blockchain and to be the only one, like, that is amazing. That alone has such value, and that, like, it works. You're taking what works at the bank but just away from the banks, and you're doing it on the blockchain, and it's fully decentralized. Like, that is incredible. I don't know how that is a scam. I don't understand how something that works, that's a thing people want at the bank, but then anyone who's into crypto hates the banks, but then the thing that is popular at the banks, it actually works and is actually working very well, that's on crypto and the blockchain. You don't like it? What, just because what, Richard Hart? That's why you don't like it? That's why it's a scam? What? I honestly don't understand that. Like, that. All right, it's the only thing of its kind on the blockchain, and it's the most popular thing at the bank. So, like, guys, come on. You don't see how valuable that is, and like, it works. It actually works. After Adoption Amplifier, no more Hex will be minted. So that's the other thing. There's only like how many days left until Adoption Amplifier is done? Like, guys, after it's done, no more will be made. And additionally, if the majority is locked up in stakes, then that's just going to create more scarcity and drive the price up even further. Hex is designed to do 10,000x in just 2.5 years, and it already did 110x in 121 days. Oh my god. I'm glad I got in way in the beginning, and I've been following Hex from the very beginning. I'm so glad about that, like, seriously. But even now, if you're just learning about Hex now, it's still so early. It's only 5 months. Look at the charts. It's still not too late if you think like, oh, whatever. Like, no, this is still a good time because it's just the beginning. Imagine all the people on YouTube who are calling it a scam and who are not making videos on Hex and who are not even talking about it. Like, imagine if they started to do that. It's also reaching new all-time highs almost every day. Like, it's crazy. And if you still don't like Hex, at least claim it for free, okay? Because it's free money. And the thing I don't understand is, like, we're all in crypto for the money, but yet these people don't want to claim it because they think it's a scam. Like, but on top of that, it's the best performing crypto of 2020 so far, and it's only the beginning. But it's a scam. I don't want to claim it. What? Are you dumb? Like, you don't want to claim your hex because, like, it's free money. Even if, like, years ago, if they were giving away BitConnect for free, I would claim that because it's free money, even if you knew it was a scam. But the thing is, BitConnect had all these promises, and it was an obvious scam, whereas Hex is not promising anything. So why are you not going to claim Hex? You're going to miss out on, like, the best thing ever. Hex makes no promises. It's like, for something that has no promises, and for something that, I don't know, guys, like, how do you claim your goddamn fucking Hex? Like, please. For those of you that are smart and that are going to claim it and stake it, let me know how long you guys are staking for. And if you are somebody who's watching this, I'm going to say this again because I've been saying it in my previous videos, and still nobody came up to the challenge yet because I'm asking people, if you think it's a scam, let me know in the comments down below. But don't just, you know, put all caps and say scam. Like, no. If you think it's a scam, let me know in the comments below, but actually give me a reason. Don't just say scam because a scam. Like, no. Tell me why. What, you're gonna say origin address? No. Don't even go there. Don't even say that. Because if you knew about Hex and you watch Richard's videos and you know how this thing works, you wouldn't even be worrying about that. Let me know. If you think it's a scam, let me know. I'm still waiting for somebody to give me a good valid reason, and nobody can do it. So don't forget to claim your Hex. If you're someone who hasn't done it yet, go do it now. It takes 2 minutes. What are you waiting for? Go do it. Get free money. And on top of that, look at the charts. I'm so glad I got in when I did, okay? And it's still really early for you guys. So get it, claim it. It's free. Get your 10% more with my link, or use the QR code here. Let me know how long you guys are staking for. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.